Shout out to SafetyWing for supporting us with this video. Can't wait to tell you guys more about it later. Now to the video.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, and today we are thinking a mall video. The newest mall here in Bangkok, EmSphere, where we are right now. It's so easy to get to as well. If you go on the Sukhumvit line and come off the Phnom Penh, the station, literally there's like a sky bridge that walks directly into it, so it's really easy and accessible to get into. Let's go and look inside.
It's got the biggest IKEA in a city in the world. I'm really not a fan of IKEA, but
you know what I can do though? What? I can pretend to shop from a house in Thailand. Yeah,
fair enough. We can pretend to shop for our house in Thailand. But looking forward to seeing this mall. It's yeah, as I say, it's the newest one in Bangkok, so let's check it out.
Whoa, first impression of this mall, absolutely stunning.
It's amazing, isn't it?
And it's got like a funky vibe to it. There's so much going on. The first floor you walk in is instantly food, like restaurants I'd say, like a bit more of upmarket food restaurants.
Yeah, some nice restaurants.
Definitely, we're just going up to this floor to see what's up here. I feel
yeah,
like
very impressive. First impressions, very impressive.
Alright, we've got shops it looks like. Step off. Oh wow. We've got some Birkenstocks over there. This is such a different vibe to any mall I've been to, I feel like.
Spacious, isn't it?
Yeah, and the aircon's really like nice and subtle. You've got like a Disney little shop. But there's like, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors maybe. I'm hoping there's a makeup shop in it because I need to top up on a couple of bits. Yeah. Also, is there anything you're looking for?
No.
You're never looking for anything.
I've noticed there's a lot of shops that aren't open yet. Boarded up stores that are not open yet.
So you got, I've never heard of that, Club 21 Lab. Door up there, so they've got some like fancy brands coming soon. The good thing about this, it's like not loads going on. So you got one floor, you go around, you're done. But you know when you've got other sections with other escalators, I feel like this is just these escalators.
Yeah, that's what I feel like.
It's not too confusing.
It looks like everything's easy to find here.
Next floor. Wow, these are shops. Ah, here you go, there's a map there, Ben.
Yeah,
so we've got, oh gosh, loads. Like 1, 2, 2 are parking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 floors on. Couples parking and all that. But this is a cute little shop. That's well nice. I like wacky different stores. I don't
like not run of the mill.
Yeah, I don't like using like, obviously I like H&M and all that, but I love it when I find like a new own brand.
The problem with H&M is you buy, like say you buy a t-shirt and then someone in Singapore has got the same t-shirt. So you're better off if you're in Singapore. I don't know what I'm talking about Singapore.
What are you going on about, Ben? Stop wasting people's time. We've got Foot Locker. I swear he just thinks of absolute rubbish. What if you want some fancy dress here? It's obviously like a little boutique here in the middle. There's also a makeup shop here. Eve and Body. I'm gonna have a look in there. Screw Ben. Ooh, Bobby Brown. I told you I was looking for makeup. Oh. Sorry, you can get your car here, Ben. Look at them.
Oh wow, look at them.
Ooh. That's a view. Wow. Where are we? Still in the mall?
We're on the car floor. You can get a Volvo there.
Look at them. Whoa. Ah, DJI shop as well.
Awesome.
This is cool. This must be like electronic section. You've got like scooters. I'm actually a bit curious how much the GoPros are here. I've heard they're quite good. We're looking at standard 11,700 for that one.
Yeah, 330.
That's quite good. A few people said, we used the GoPro 11, but a few people have said that the DJI is quite good. So might have to be our next camera to try.
Look how much room there is, look. If I was a gymnast, I could do somersaults here.
They've obviously got loads more room to fill it up with like stores in the middle. As I say, it's only like a few months old, so they've still got like developing and adding things to it. Look at this panda. Oh, you got boots. You can go to IKEA. Watson's, that's what I want. Watson's. I love a Watson.
These cars are like absolutely sick. Like just there, literally, Lamborghini shop.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look. Yeah, so they dedicated like the whole floor to like cars. Unreal. Right, so as well as having like this beautiful mall with like cars on like every floor and all that sort of thing, there's also like a 6,000 seater stadium which only opened in February, and Ed Sheeran opened it, so yeah, quite a big deal. So this floor, completely closed off, looks like there's something being built, so let's head on up to the next floor.
Oh, you can see the shop. Oh, it's IKEA. That's part of IKEA.
Ah, I see, it's part of IKEA. Yeah, so IKEA, I think IKEA must have a different entrance, maybe around the side, but let's carry on going up.
Oi, Beach Club.
This is called Tribe Beach Club. Looks, honestly, looks stunning. Reanne says, should we go in there? I'm like, we can't, we probably won't be able to afford nothing, so I don't want to go in there and be like, sit down, give us a menu, and I'm like, we can't afford this.
Could have got a drink.
Could have got a drink, but we didn't. Right, let's go and check out the food court, but before we do, let me tell you about today's sponsor.
Thank you SafetyWings, No Bad Insurance, for sponsoring this video. SafetyWings covers 180 countries, which is perfect for us because we're always on the move.
It covers delays, lost luggage and trip interruption. You can also add on electronic items like laptops and drones, which for us is a must because we got a laptop and drone stolen. Make sure you get them covered.
A travel insurance with a medical expense of $250,000. Also, you can pick the doctor and the clinic you want to visit.
No pre-approval needed, takes 5 minutes to purchase. You can do it the same day you fly out, and even if your trip has already started. To get covered now, from SafetyWings, scan the QR code on screen. Now back to the video.
Let's get some food. I'm thinking, oh, we got some skewers over here. Let's have a look. We've got like a street food aisle here. So we're gonna see here, we've got some skewers, something in like a banana leaf, chicken and rice. Oh, be careful, these are very trip hazardy. Sally cat. We've got sticky mango rice. Oh, it smells well nice. What is that? Garlic?
A concoction of different smells.
Oh, this place looks nice. 75 baht there, Ben.
The cuisine on this floor is like Thai, isn't it?
I think so, yeah, actually, yeah. So we've got like Thai pancakes. What are you feeling, Ben? Sweet, savoury, something snacky?
Savoury snacky, I think.
Noodle with salted egg sauce. They look nice. Oh, so much food here. Oh, we got donuts here. You know that's a bit of me. Everything just smells so good. There's such a variety of different places here. You can get like pizza and like peri-peri chicken. So in this middle, it's like a street food Thai bit, and then the outskirts you've got like restaurants with like Mexican, so you have got different cuisines, but this bit is like the street food, Thai food, the cheaper food and better food pretty much. We've got like lemon tarts here, like kind of like a donut-y thing with the toppings. Oh my god, it looks so good. Ben said savoury, but I might have to get something sweet. Michelin star. Oh, we love them.
We do love them.
Oh, Michelin star food. We really like them as well. We might have to get them. Krispy Kreme, no. So much nice food here. There's also a Gourmet Market, and they've got like a kind of like a roast station going on, would you say? Like a gourmet deli?
Yeah, sort of like a carver, isn't it?
Like a carver. Look at the roast meat and veg. How cool is that? That pork looks amazing. This is so cool. I've never been to a food court like this.
No, it's quite
different, isn't it?
Quite different, yeah.
This place is. Look, she's making the cake. She's like making the cakes, they're fresh. This is Oh My Godmother, and they're like literally making the cakes here. That is a bit of me though, isn't it? Coming from like a chef background, I love seeing people like make cakes and design them. I think Ben's getting annoyed with me because I've picked loads of dessert things I want to try, but he said he wants like something savoury, dinnery.
Yeah, of course.
So let's go and get something from there.
I'm getting annoyed with you, I'm used to it, I don't know.
I end up just looking at dessert things and we end up like not eating properly.
You got a sweet tooth, didn't you?
I have, definitely, but these bowls up there look reasonable price. It is quite pricey here. It's not normally where we would go, to be honest, but the food just look really good. This place looked good. Meatballs Noodles, crispy wontons, 75 baht. And
It's the only one without a name though.
I know.
I have to point to it.
But they look doing them all fresh here, so they look good. It smells amazing. The bottom one.
This one? Middle din.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Just one.
Yeah, wonton, yeah.
They grab all the ingredients and put it all in that bowl. And mix it with like the noodles, and you got your like wontons. It was so good.
Chili spicy.
No, little.
Not too spicy.
Oh wow. Thank you. Ooh, that looks well good, doesn't it? Thank you. Alright, let's go and grab a seat. But you could just sit anywhere.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna go here. These look proper good. We've got the crispy pork wontons. This is what Ben's telling me these are. They just look like Doritos to me, but they taste like original Doritos. We've also got ourselves some chopsticks. You called them tongs. I just realised he asked the guy for tongs. You said it, didn't you?
Well done.
Oh, this looks so good. So we've got like, I'm not sure what all this is. He like mixed it all up in a bowl. I think it's pork. We've got like spring onions, chilies, soy sauce. We've got big chunks, and I think this is like pure pig pork fat.
Pork fat, yeah, I love that.
Go a bit. Go that.
Yeah, so he did ask if we wanted spicy. We said a little bit.
Not too spicy.
Not too spicy, but no, it's not too bad. It's got a little tiny kick, but it's fine.
It's really fresh flavours, but there's so much freshness in there, and like little spices, and you've got your lime. It's really delicious, and the crispy bit with the meat.
I think the thing with Thai food, it is the mixture of like great flavours and the freshness. Yeah, and although this is a mall, this is very like authentic and very good.
This is really delicious. I think we need something sweet for dessert now though. This is the place I spotted sus, and they're like stuffed rolls. Look. Maca. We got Oreo and cheese, chocolate bread, or toffee bread. Alright, we're not made of that much money. They're 135 baht. I think that's really expensive, so we're not actually getting one.
They look nice though.
They look really nice. If you come in and try one, give us a message. Is it worth it?
Let's find out if they're doing on the street market, and then we'll get one.
Yeah, I reckon you can get it for like, yeah, 40 baht. That's like nearly like $4.50. There's cookies up here. I'm willing to pay whatever for them because I'm a cookie queen. I love cookies.
You're a donut queen.
We changed to cookies because these cookies are like that fat. They look so good. These ones. Look at these. They look amazing. They are quite pricey, as you can see, 140 baht. But I'm going to get one or the other, so I'm going for a cookie. Are you going to get a cookie though? Yeah, they're not cheap. Alright, we've gone for the double trouble, this one. It's the cheapest one there, 110 baht. Which I still think is quite pricey considering we're in Thailand. That's like a England kind of price, but they're going to be worth it. The best come in like a gold box or something, like really fancy. Ooh, let's have a look. See what they're like.
Just come in the box.
Oh, no, it comes in a bag. We've got a bag. So let's see what it's like. It is big, I have to admit. Like,
yeah. Oh yeah.
It is chunky. Yeah. And it is quite big. I'm going to go for a break, see if there's some gooiness in the middle. Oh. I thought there'd be like some chocolate stuffed in there, but does it taste good?
Disappointed?
I'm really not blown away. It literally just tastes like dough, like plain boring dough.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, I'm really not wowed by it at all. Oh,
yeah,
okay, good. I need a small bite.
I see what you mean. It's a bit doughy.
Yeah, it just tastes like raw. Just like tastes like dough.
It's called double chocolate. It needs more chocolate.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to say you disappointed me, especially for your price. I thought you were gonna blow my mind, but
maybe next
basic.
time.
That pizza looks good. Look at the pizza oven. Oh, but that's like an epic pizza. Do a thin. I love a thin pizza. I could well eat one actually.
Like a Italian stone bake.
Oh yeah, proper pizza. None of these thick rubbish. This is a really good mall, but I have to say it is quite pricey. I'd say, especially like the food court. If you go to like Terminal 21 and that's really cheap.
Yeah, Terminal 21 is different class.
So I think this is for like upper class people, not us type of travelling budget. travelling budget people, it's not our scene, but it's a beautiful, really good mall. I recommend coming and seeing it and having a go. But
got experience, haven't you?
Yeah, it's really nice. They styled it really well. Like I love like the wall art and things like that. So they've made it like stand out and made it really different. But like, even like this floor, look at this. Hi. They've really like gone all out on it. It's really good.
It's not my favourite mall in Bangkok. That's my honest opinion.
But there is so many malls here in Bangkok,
Yeah,
so it is hard.
There's some really good ones.
I think we need to keep trying though, like there's so many malls to try. I think Terminal 21 could be my favourite.
Yeah, so I was about to say something.
Yeah, I think it is. It's just so unique and different, and it's cheap food, which is what we're all about.
That's right.
But we're now exiting, and literally this will take us straight to our BTS. But it is a very impressive, beautiful mall, and you've got IKEA. Obviously we didn't go in IKEA because we didn't need to, but this board makes it look so cool. Look at it. It's like a 3D board. So we've got like 2 BTS to get now. It takes us about an hour to get back, but it was worth it. And I've really enjoyed it. It's a really good mall to look around.
Anyway, make sure you watch the next video because we're going to a live football game in Bangkok. I cannot wait. This is like literally what I travel for. I love these experiences. So subscribe.
We're on TV. How cool is that?
Did you put your on there?
You can do it.
I don't know if I did.
Oh, I did the camera like that.
Oh, maybe so.
Why would I make us go back and refilm it?
I don't know, that's what I thought.
Oh my god.
To get covered from SafetyWing right now, scan the QR code. Scan the QR code.
Do that again.
Yeah. To get covered.
To get covered. A really refreshing. It's like a really refreshing. It's like really a refreshing. Help me out. Refreshing. Is that the right word?
Yeah, it's like a really refreshing.
Yeah. It's like a really refreshing.